Guys, this is me talking to some birds. Hello. You know your mother's a whore. Yeah. Ah! I just want to scream at the bird. Thing's going crazy. It wants to eat me. I don't know what to do. What kind of noises? See, now they don't make noise. 2 minutes ago, that was cussing my mother. 2 minutes ago. Hi. Brush your mouth. Hello, guys. Why does this look like Jeremiah to me? I don't know. There's Dino because he's black. There's Monica because she got pink streaks. Let's see. That's Debbie because it looks retarded. That's Mecca because it is retarded. That's Bunny, Danny's. Oh yeah, see. These are the rest of the little girls just running around. Pebbles. They're like Pebbles. They're real nervous. So that looks like Pebbles. There's no birds there, but whatever. It's alright. Shut up! For brushing your mouth! Fuck you, motherfucker!